Meaning of gold blend.
Gold blend.
Gold blend.
Gold blend.
Gold blend. Gold blend is a term used to describe a blend of coffee that is made from high-quality, premium beans. These beans are often sourced from different regions around the world and are carefully selected to create a unique flavor profile. The name gold blend implies a sense of luxury and exclusivity, suggesting that the coffee is of a higher quality than other blends. Overall, gold blend represents a premium coffee experience, with a rich and complex flavor that is sure to satisfy even the most discerning coffee drinkers.